Hey y'all, I am Nathan, aka Cleaner, and I am an aspiring drone pilot. When I say drone, I also mean performance multi-rotor, not one of those drones that, you know, has auto leveling and GPS and etc, etc. I'm talking about real, raw, hand-built drones, right? That's what I'm doing here. So I found out when I was watching all these videos, all these great people who are flying right now, if you want to be known, you need to have either one of two things, or both, which is great, even better. You either need to be able to fly really well, or you need to have a face. So this is why I'm starting. I can't fly really well, so let's be known by my face, all right? So I'm gonna go over here. I'm coming up to a park right now, here in beautiful Pittsburgh. When I say beautiful, I don't mean beautiful right now. It's February, I think the last day of February. And it looks like it's good. So we're gonna try this out. Someone might be wearing a sculpture. We're gonna try this out, just fly a couple packs and get to know me, because that's what we're here for, right? We'll you know, see how this journey goes. I started last year, maybe a little over a year ago. I haven't had much time to fly. I've got 2 kids and a wife, 9 to 5. I've got side jobs, I'm a photographer, etc, 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 etc. So I don't fly very much. I need to get more simulator time. I think that'd be best, but I've been practicing for a Rocket League tournament coming up next weekend. Wish me luck. I just got to this spot, see how this goes, fly around a little, maybe we'll get some good video. Alright, so it's about 35 degrees out today, and I'm just coming to the spot right here. Nice looking field for me to practice on. We've got some benches and stuff over here, just some trees to play with. Nothing major, nothing great. Just somewhere to get warmed up again, because I haven't done this in months and months. So we're here. I got my remix. Thank you, Tommy. Love that stuff. I'm gonna get another one, hopefully fleet it out, so when I break stuff I can come right back. But you know, just got an Acrobat. Can't wait to put that thing together. It's coming in the mail, I think, tomorrow. But for now, let's fly this remix. Before I get started, I did want to show you what I had here. Got the remix, obviously. This thing has gone through a lot. All my latest videos, the ones in Erie, the training grounds, it's all in there. We got the Turnigy case. This thing's amazing. Fits my big ass QX7 and my goggles. I've got 10 extra batteries in here. Another Fat Shark battery also. You know, I've got some 18650s, I've got some antennas, some other stuff. So that's my setup. Very cool.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
One of these things is not like the other.
Well, you can't find any more of a realistic start than that, right? I found some ghost branches the hard way. Cracked an arm, which I'll show you in a little bit. I got an extra arm in the bag. I've got all the tools that I want. I've got this extra Martian right here that I could just toss in there and just start flying, but it's 35 degrees right now. You know, that sort of broke my spirit. Just today. I still have a want to go to, I want to go fix this. I want to go fly again, but I only had like 25 minutes myself anyways. That's how I was going to spend it, and then that happened. You know, you get the bad days. I've had really good days. I've had bad days. In the Lake Erie video that I previously posted, I was doing really well. I was on my second pack. Same thing happened. I caught the grass. Well, almost the same thing, but I caught the grass with my blade tip, and it spun me over, broke an arm. I didn't have an extra arm or anything to repair it. I was on vacation, hoping I'd fly all weekend, and that just That's gone. That was it. So I'll repair it. I'll fly again. I'll try again next time. It's discouraging, but this is the reality of this hobby. Compared to other hobbies that I've had, it's not very expensive. Obviously compared to like computer gaming, if you build a computer, that's a one-time build. Usually nothing breaks, and you don't have to spend any more money. But the arm is $10 for a pack of 2, and then it's just my time. My time is worth something to me, of course, but just to repair it. But if you don't like repairing things, if you don't know how to, then this might not be the place for you. But if you can do it, if you want to, absolutely do it. There will be times where you don't want to fix something, but you'll come back to it. It's not a problem. It happens to everybody. You go and watch Oh My God's video, Tommy's videos. He shows you he crashes. He's a real guy. He's a real pilot. All the other guys are really, really good, but they don't show their crashes. It's pretty rare to see something like that. So, just keep on going. That's what I'm going to do. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Hopefully I'll vlog to you soon. We'll see how it goes.